What up, YouTube? This is your president, the Presidential Tourist, back with another video. I bought this in like early December at a Walmart. There's only a couple of them left. I got it for myself for Christmas. I used to collect baseball cards a lot. Haven't hardly bought any in recent years. You hardly ever see cards around anymore. Generally only at a Walmart. The only other place I really seen them was a couple times. I seen them at like a Wawa gas station. But I used to see baseball cards for sale at all the different convenience stores, gas stations, supermarkets, and now you just don't see baseball cards anymore. But anyways, they had this special like little bundle thing for Christmas shaped like an ornament. Pretty cool, I think. 2024 Topps 3 exclusive holiday tree parallels. And there's 59 total cards, so let's see what this thing is. A really cool container. So I'm going to do like a little unboxing video. I know some of these could be pretty popular. It's December 31st now. I actually forgot about this. I had this stuck like inside the tree, and I almost didn't remember. This is cool. Look, this is made of metal. It's not plastic. That's interesting. It's interesting. Here it is. You pull the cards out, and here it is. I used to know who a lot of the players were, but last 15 years I've not been following baseball nearly so much. So a lot of the players that I knew, and I actually met a whole bunch of them at one time, are gone. Oh, these are pretty cool. Really like festive. That blue border, it looks almost, these are Christmassy. See like stockings and like a snowman and Christmas wreaths on these. Very pretty cards. I still think the cards from the 1980s was the best, in my opinion. They're very basic cards, but I just liked them. Let's see, it's supposed to have some parallels. Let's see. Yeah, I don't recognize any names. That's how out of the loop I am. Changes so fast. Not looking for anything special. This one's of Sean Bieber. It says the Guardians, basically the Cleveland Guardians. They're always going to be the Cleveland Indians to me, never the Guardians. I don't care. They're the Cleveland Indians. I'm just looking. There was supposed to be, I think, some special ones in here, and I'm looking for where they are. Probably at the very end. I don't see them. Oh, wait a minute. Did I go right by him? Okay, I see. I think I know what. It's these. There's supposed to be 3 of them. It's the non-blue ones. This is how far out I am. I think it's, make sure, yeah. Because these are the only ones. Wait a minute. I'm so far behind. But this is a different color, and it has like a little texture to it, so that's one of them. See how, does it like that? This is Kyle Tucker. And then these 3 cards are all has different textures to it too. And these are let's see, what's his name? MJ Melendez, Blaze Alexander, Yuri Perez. I don't know if these guys are good or what. I said I'm really behind. Let me know these are good. So I think those are the special ones, and the rest of these are just regular. I like it that these have Christmas themed. I don't never remember any card companies doing that, so kind of like have the holidays put in, and Christmas would be a perfect one to do this. So I wonder if you got these in regular packs, if they had that Christmas theme in, or is it just found in these ornaments. I guess technically you can consider this a pack, even though it's not a set, so I wonder. Like I said, I don't recognize any of these guys, so that's how far out of the loop. There's probably very few players when I was really paying attention to baseball that's still in it. Just too much going on in my life to keep up with that stuff. The uniforms are so different. Don't know if I like them. Like, look at that. This is for Fernando Tatis Jr. And look at that. That uniform is so different from what I'm used to. I don't know if I like it or not. It seems... To be honest, it seems something you would see in like a lower level ball or maybe college. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but it's just a style. I mean, I'm just being an old grandpa. See, uniforms are so different. But this is me being becoming basically a boomer. Yeah, the Yankees. The Yankees don't really change much with their uniforms, which I like that. A lot of these other teams just look so different. Oh, there's a few rookie cards, but I think that's it. Let me know if these are any good ones. I don't know. But I just want to film that quickly. But this is really cool. Again, it's 2024 Topps. 3 exclusive holiday tree parallels. And you get 59 total. And this is like a metal tin, which is really cool. And I'll just probably put these cards back in there. Like I mentioned, these are the 3 parallels. And then this one's a bit different too. None of these are like limited edition number on the back. I'll go through these cards again to make sure. Alright, cool. Alright, awesome. Any comments, questions, let me know. That was $15, just to let you know someone might ask. But any questions or comments, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. Alright.